So today I'm going to go to do some pre-birthday shopping, and yes, tomorrow is my birthday and I'm so happy about that. And so join me on my trip. Before shopping, I wanted to stop by at Vrindavan restaurant, which has been here for a very long time, because I'm a little bit hungry. So let's jump in. We'll see the food there, as you can see on the board over there too. So it's Vrindavan restaurant I've stopped at. So hi, yes, I'm inside the Vrindavan and it's so beautiful. It's like got all Krishna's photo and wall painting on the walls. So I'll just show you around. So as you can see, there's so many people. So it's like it's literally a house full, or maybe I should say restaurant. And I'm waiting for the dish to come. My food, I'm hungry. So I'm done with my lunch and now I'm heading to West Side. So I had paneer tikka, I had garlic naan and palak paneer and a scoop of ice cream. So to top it all off. So I'm gonna go to West Side and let's see anything eye-catching is over there. So yes guys, as you can see, I'm going to enter West Side in GN Chetty Road, and let's see whether I can get something, and I'm happy. So guys, I'm in a shop called Tejas and it's got like all antique, god idols. I will just show you. Guys, this is a unique piece. It's a chessboard and it has brass with gold plating on one side and brass on the other side. It's so antique. Oh my god, I'm just falling in love with this shop. So right now I'm inside a mall called the Phoenix Market City, and it's a huge mall and it's in Velachery, Chennai. So let's see what I can get in there. $2, so let's see whether I can grab something in there. So now I'm going to just hop into Lifestyle, my last store of the day, and just see whether I can get something for myself for my birthday. So let's go and check it out. So guys, didn't find nothing much in Lifestyle, and I'm done for the day. I'm literally dying. My battery is going to die. So right now I'm in ID in the same mall, and I'm just having my tiffin. Hi guys, so I'm back home, and yes, I did a little bit of shopping for my birthday. So the first shop I went to was West Side after my lunch, and I got one top, one kurta for myself and a perfume. And yes, so I would show you the kurta quick. It's a beautiful piece, by the way, and it's like the black, it's got the black, it's actually black. You can't say it's completely black, but it's a black with the pink inside, and it's got the orange collar with the the full detailing of orange still here, and some nice pom-poms here, as you can see, with some gold copper coins with beads as well, and some gold finishing here. And to the best part I liked about this kurta was the side, which is like, again, which is like, it would come like this, so when you wear it till your hip, and then you would get your slit here. So even that has got the same detailing as the neck, like with the pom-poms, and then the bee with the pom-poms, the beads, and the copper coins, which is like really beautiful. And you've got a pipeline till the end of in the color orange, and it's like, it's so beautiful with this slit as in the side. There's like, both the side has the same thing, and it's like really good. I would show the piece I got. And yeah, before I show you the next item, I totally forgot to say this, and my day actually started off by getting, I got a courier from Amazon India, and I got a selfie light ring, a clip-on, which is like really good. I hope I can find it in this mess over here. Okay, yeah, so this is the selfie ring. So it's just like on your phone, you clip it on your phone like this. You have, it's operated by battery, 2 small batteries, and it's got a button right here, and you can press it 3 times, and the intensity of the light just moves up. So this is the light, this is the area where the light comes in. The white part is the area where the bulb light is, glows or something. So it's like the first light is this much, second is brighter, third press becomes more bright. So yeah, so this is how my day started. And then I went to West Side, I got the kurta, and yes, on West Side I got a perfume for myself too. So this is the Studio West Dark Valor, and yes, and it's a good fragrance, by the way. I tested it on the tester. It's pretty strong. And then I went to the mall, and I got few makeup items for myself. I just picked up few, very few. I went to many shops, but then I liked Health and Glow more. Yes, over there I picked up some Maybelline stuff. In that, the basic kajal, Colossal Kajal by Maybelline New York. This is must, and as mine is over, I had to get 2 of them. And then I got concealer. This is again by Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 360 by Honey. This is the concealer. So concealer I have got. And then I have got another lip gradation by Maybelline New York, and it's in the color orange. So this would perfectly go well with my birthday kurta I just got and I showed you. And then finally I got since I was running out of this as well, which is makeup remover, so I got this as well. So by the way, one more thing I forgot, I got another jewelry to match with my my kurta, and this is a beautiful earring, and it is like in gold string. It's in a gold string, and it's beaded in different multicolors, which is like really nice. It goes well with my suit. And yes, so let's see how it goes. And yes, this was a steal, as it was just down in the bottom bar, the price again. So to know the price of all the items that I just showed you, you can just go down the bottom bar below and check it for the prices. And to get further notification for my future videos, give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe. And if you like my video, thumbs up. And yes, any comments, any likes, please leave it. And what else? I am gone. I am dead, literally dead for the day. So I'm just gonna crash, and before that I have to edit this video. And yes, and have my food too. I'm a little bit hungry, and yes, so basically that's it, my days for today. So till then, bye guys.